May I come in?
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Pratishtha,
Yes, sir.
have a seat.
Thank you so much, sir. Myself, Pratishtha, and I am from Fugwara proper, and I have recently completed work under pressure. I am always sincere to my work, and I am confident also. Thank you, sir.
That's great. Why do you want to join banking?
According to my point of view, banking is growing industry, and I want to join banking because I have various skills of related banking, and I see various opportunities in banking. Such,
How you can feel that the banking is a great sector?
ma'am, because it involves various sector as well. Because banking is happen to be the first one, and all the
You said you have learnt about cash management also. So, do you know what are the duties of a teller in a bank?
Sir, can I speak in Punjabi? Or
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, ਪਹਿਲਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ ਪਰ ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਬੈਂਕ 'ਚ ਡਰਾਅਰ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ।
Okay. You said sorting. What is sorting of cash? Can you speak in English?
So yeah, sorting of cash means sir,
Did
I
you
feel-
forget or
No.
have you? Okay. No problem.
That's
Feel comfortable.
we come.
Yes, sir. Sorting of cash means
Is it?
putting the cash, soiled and mutilated notes.
Yeah, yeah.
Put the soiled and mutilated notes aside.
क्यों करते हैं साइड?
So because of clean note policy.
5 मिनट का इंटरव्यू लिया तो उससे जो मुझे लगा मैं आई विल शेयर विद यू। एक तो नर्वस हो गए आप।
Yes.
इंटरव्यू में नर्वस अगर हो जाएंगे तो इम्प्रेशन नेगेटिव जाएगा, तो इंटरव्यूअर का सिलेक्शन के चांस कम हो जाए। फिर आप कभी बीच में पंजाबी में भी बोलते हो, फिर हिंदी में, इंग्लिश। अगर आपको क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश में पूछा गया, ट्राई टू आंसर इन इंग्लिश। हिंदी में पूछे तो हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं, अदरवाइज ट्राई टू स्पीक इन दैट लैंग्वेज। इंट्रोडक्शन जो आपने दी, इट वाज वेरी लेंथी। Try to be brief. Briefly tell about yourself, where you live, about your educational qualification.
We'll talk about two things, right? Your body language. What happened when you entered? You were very confident.
Yes.
Smile. I will answer everything.
Yes.
This is going to be my best interview, right? Nervous होना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. We can get nervous. If I'll also give interview, maybe I'll get nervous. But then you should not show it on your face. सब तो पहले तो you need preparation. You need to revise your course. And ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ एक आंसर ਦੀ knowledge ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ actual depth ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ.
Yes.
Because banking is testing you for your entire knowledge. And ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ body.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes.